Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Halfway Tree and we're on Constant Spring Road heading towards Halfway Tree. Well, actually we're in Halfway Tree, we're heading towards the clock. As you can see, this is a very busy section of Halfway Tree. It's Saturday afternoon, about 4 o'clock, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. Straight ahead where you see those arches, that's the Halfway Tree Transport Center. That's where the government buses operate from. Straight ahead is the Pavilion Plaza, and to the left is Scotiabank. Scotiabank has two branches in Halfway Tree. This is one, and further down is the other one. This section of Halfway Tree has a lot of plazas, a lot of stores. This is the commercial section. I guess because of the bus park. And outside the bus park you have other buses. They're just not allowed to go into the bus park. And then you have the taxis. So when persons come in on the bus, they walk out to the bus park and take a taxi or another bus to where they're going. Okay, if you look to the right, there's a blue bus. That's one of the non-government buses. The government buses are the yellow ones. Not sure what they call those other buses, but they have a name. I just can't remember now. But they have a license to operate as a bus. They're not running illegally. Their road license gives them permission to run on a certain route. And then with the taxis now, the legal taxis are the ones with the red plate. And then you have something called a robot taxi, where somebody operates the car as a taxi, but they don't have the license plate, the red plate. They just use the blue plate. And those are the ones that the police are always trying to stop, because it's against the law. Okay, straight ahead is the Halfway Tree clock, that clock is probably about 400 years old. It doesn't operate right now. It was renovated recently, but then there was a fire that destroyed it. And on the right you can see the bus park. On the left is the Jamaica National Building. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is what the traffic looks like. During the week, this is the busiest place in Kingston, probably in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. And I'm almost sure they would pass through this section because of the bus park and the buses and the taxis. This is the heart of Halfway Tree now. On the left you can see the non-government buses. They use this section. Also another section right beside the bus park. And because you have so many people using this place every day, you have a lot of police. And of course, if you have so many taxi drivers and bus drivers, then you know there's going to be a lot of indiscipline on the road. So the police have to be here to maintain law and order. And no, we're not hitting out on the taximen and the busmen, but it's just a reality. they stop anywhere to pick up passengers. They stop in the middle road to drop off passengers. They'll park anywhere. They'll park and block traffic. And so we're not hitting out on anybody. It's just a reality. And then you have the robot taxis that are even worse, because if they see a police coming, they're going to break every law on the books to try to get away from the police. Okay, now this is the main road, and you can see these cars. See, they're parked, blocking up the main road, literally taking away one of the lanes. That's the kind of indiscipline that you have on the roads. Okay, we're now on Halfway Tree Road. If we continued on Halfway Tree Road, we would go to Crossroads, but we're not going to go down so far today. We just passed the turn off to Ruthven Road. No, sorry, Cecilia Avenue. The road coming up on the left is Ruthven Road, and Ruthven Road is most famous for JPS office. This is where you go to pay your JPS bill. Here we go. This is Ruthven Road now, and that's the JPS office on the right. There are a few hotels on this road. On the left, where this pink building is the Hotel Four Seasons. And then on the right, coming up, is one of the entrances to the Knutsford Court Hotel. Straight ahead, that building is one of the new apartment buildings built in Jamaica recently. On the right now, those are some apartment buildings. Okay, this intersection now is Winchester Avenue. If we were to go straight, we'd go back out to Trafalgar Road, but we're going to turn here and go on to Winchester Avenue. Winchester Avenue is a commercial area. It has a lot of office buildings, mostly doctor offices and medical facilities. But on the right is the Bureau of Standards. Everybody knows what they do. On the left is the Winchester Business Center. And on the right, what's the name of that place? It's a place that houses all the animals and takes care of the animals. The name just slipped me. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.